Before sowing in the spring, I always use this in the garden. It helps plants to be stronger, healthier, and thrive better. Every year, before sowing in the spring, I sprinkle some baking soda on the soil in the garden. The plants grow better and the yield is higher. I sprinkle 1 teaspoon on 1 square meter. Write me in the comments from which country are you watching me. It's nice to know that we can see each other all over the world. Before planting, you can add a pinch of baking soda to the planting site. It's a small amount, but it helps the plants to take in better. I'm going to make a baking soda solution for watering. In 1 liter of water, I add half a teaspoon of baking soda. I mix it well, and with it I water the plants around the roots. With a solution of baking soda, I water the plants around the roots once a week. After making the solution, I pour it into the sprayer. With this solution, I spray the leaves of the plant while they are young, once in 7 days. Do not exaggerate. I sprayed the strawberries, and in this way, I protect them from mold and fungus. Baking soda is alkaline. It helps if the soil is acidic to balance it before planting. If you like the video, leave me a heart in the comment and a like. Thank you, dear friends.